Hey traders, in today's video I'm going to share something extremely valuable. How I got access to $10,000 in trading capital from a prop firm, even without using my own money. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real opportunity that I personally went through, passed the test, and started trading with real funds. Stick around till the end because I'm going to walk you through everything and step by step. What is a prop firm? A prop firm, or proprietary trading firm, is a company that gives traders capital to trade in exchange for a share of the profits. Popular firms include FTMO, the Fivers, MyForex funds, and Try2Be funded. What they want is simple: a disciplined, skilled trader who can manage risk and follow rules. If you do well, they fund you, you trade. You both make money. How does the challenge work? Every prop firm requires you to pass a challenge. Here's how it usually works. For a $10,000 account, you need to make around 8% profit while keeping losses under 5% daily and 10% max drawdown. You usually get 30 days to complete the challenge. The test is not just about profits, it's about showing you can follow rules and trade smart. It's like an interview, but for capita. My experience, how I passed the challenge. I've personally taken multiple challenges. I failed twice at the beginning. Why? Because I overtraded, rushed into trades, and didn't respect risk limits. On my third try, I changed everything. I took only 1 to 2 trades per day. I waited for clear confirmations. EMA cross plus RSI above 50. My final stats, plus 8.6% gain, minus 1.7% loss. And yes, I passed the challenge. What happened in the real funded account? Once I passed, I received a real $10,000 live account. Trading real capital feels different. You feel responsible. Every move counts. In my first month, I made around $890 in profit. With a 70-30 split, I kept $620. Second month, $1,200 profit. It's a unique feeling. You didn't risk your own funds, but you earned real returns through skill and discipline. 5 tips if you're considering this path. Here are 5 powerful tips if you're planning to take a prop firm challenge. 1. Don't start without a strategy. Random trading will lead to failure. Use something proven. 2. Risk management is everything. Never risk more than 1% per trade. 3. Keep a journal. Write down every trade, the reason you entered, exited, and what you learned. 4. Master your psychology. Fear and greed kill funded accounts more than bad strategies. 5. Choose reputable firms. Go for firms that are licensed, transparent, and have real payouts. Outrow Plus. Call to action. I hope this gave you a clear and honest look at how funded trading works. It's one of the best ways for serious traders to scale without needing huge savings. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Drop a comment saying, I want to learn about Try2Be funded, and I'll make a full guide on that platform too. See you in the next video, where I'll show you how to choose the best firm for your goals.